In this video, we show how to replace a backplane in a PowerEdge R6725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the backplane, first remove the backplane cover by pushing down and sliding it to the rear of the system. Then, for whichever backplane you're going to remove, first ensure that you have all the hard drives and drive blanks removed. Then disconnect the power and data cables from the backplane. Then loosen the two captive screws to secure the backplane in place. And slide the backplane towards the front of the system and lift it out. To install the backplane, slide it into the system, slide it under the pegs, slide it towards the rear, and tighten the two captive screws to secure it. Then replace the power and data cables. Then replace the backplane cover by aligning it with the system and then forward, pushing towards the front of the system. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R6725, visit dell.com/support.